Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and here on the left down corner you'll see the edit icon. Just tap on the icon, and here you can see all the available icons on our notification panel. Just if you want to add one more icon here to your top bar, press hold for a while and drag it here to the position where you want to just add the icon. If you want to add one more icon, for example like selfie camera, just repeat the action, hold and drag here to add the icon to your notification bar. If you want to remove the icon, by the same way, just hold for a while and drag it here to the down position, to the down section, to remove the icon from your notification panel. Also, if you want, you can change the positions of the icons here by just the same way like add or remove. Just hold and drag it, move it to the position where you want to just they change the icon's position. So that's how it looks. And just now go back and you will see the changes here. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.